The Richardson police officers who investigated the disappearance and death of 3-year-old Sherin Mathews are being recognized from those that they serve and protect. The acknowledgement comes a day before a hearing on the custody of the Mathews biological child, who's temporarily placed with relatives in the Houston area. Fox 4's Natalie Solis is at the Henry Wade Justice Center, where the hearing is scheduled first thing tomorrow morning. Natalie.
Well, Clarice, CPS is trying to terminate the parental rights of both parents after Sherin was found dead in late October. And even though this is very much still an ongoing case, some in the community wanted to thank the officers for their hard work.
Very small representation of the group.
Richardson Police Chief Jimmy Spivey accepting a special plaque on behalf of his department. Bill Allen lives near where the body of 3-year-old Sherin Mathews was found in a culvert October 24th. He, like his neighbors, heartbroken, now part of an informal group expressing gratitude.
We wanted to recognize our police department for their compassionate and thorough investigation of the case, and also to continue the dialogue that's happening both nationally and international for child welfare.
To have the community come together and come to us and acknowledge the good work that the men and women of this police department have done means so much to us.
The recognition comes just one day before a hearing in the ongoing custody battle over the Mathews' other child, their 4-year-old biological daughter. November 29th, both Wesley Mathews and his wife Sini in court, pleading the Fifth Amendment in response to pointed questions about their alleged involvement in Sherin's death to avoid self-incrimination. Wesley Mathews told police the toddler choked while drinking milk. Child Protective Services is seeking to have the parental rights of both parents terminated, which would cease all contact between parent and child, so Sherin's sibling would go up for adoption.
The court can order that some type of contact still be had.
Family law attorney Ramiko T. Edwards is not involved in this case. She says in cases like these, the parties involved could explore the option of keeping the child with a family member, with one or both parents agreeing to voluntarily surrender their parental rights.
When they voluntarily do that, they open the door that even after termination, post-contact can occur. Ultimately, it'll be the judge to make the determination what's going to be in the best interest of the child.
Now, if one or both parents do not voluntarily terminate their parental rights, this case could go to a trial with the judge making that decision, which means we may not know the outcome for several more months. Now, one thing to consider is that there are ongoing criminal cases for both parents. And so if one or both voluntarily do decide to voluntarily terminate their parental rights, that could be used against them in the criminal case.